Do a second video from inside. Well, it took forever to get some rain, but now that we have rain, it's pouring. Texas weather don't mess around.
No, it's not. But if you mess around with Texas rain, it will soak you.
See the play dome out there, Mike? See your play dome thing out there?
Yeah.
I had to lay it down on its side because the wind was blowing it out of the yard.
I can't see it on there. Can you make it lighter?
No, I can't. This just shows outside.
Let's go
lightning
outside!
Gets the lightning really good. See? Watch. See it on the camera?
It's cool. Can you see that grill on it?
I just did.
There's lightning. Woo! Hey, come on.
Jojo, you're fine.
Can you come on? That's what